Let's talk about lemon juice. Ways to lose 1 kilo a week and maintain it using lemon. Greetings and welcome to Healthy with Ajo. So thank you for being here once again. Today we are going to talk about lemon juice. There are lots of benefits out there, and I know that you already know. But one thing that we always forget is to add the zest of lemon. The zest contains a lot of vitamins and minerals, and so today I'm going to show you how to add your lemon zest into your daily morning routine, and this is going to help you lose 1 kilo in a week. Yes, I know it's little, but the nutritionists do advise that we lose up to 1 kilo in a week. Losing more than that might have side effects on your physical and your mental state, so 1 kilo is supposed to be enough, right? Let's get started. So before I go ahead, we all know that water is a best way to hydrate, right? Dehydration doesn't help in losing weight. So early in the morning, we are normally told to drink a cup of warm water when we wake up from bed. But do you know the benefits when you add lemon juice to your water? All right, so before we start everything, I'm going to put on some water. Then we are going to grate the zest from this lemon. So once I am done with the zest, I'm not going to use all because too much of it is I'm going to use it during the day, so to flavor my water, especially as we are in summer, you're going to need something to push you. I find it very difficult to drink normal water, so if I have the flavor of lemon, some oil, some scent, it pushes me to drink more water. So here I am going to put in just few zests of lemon here, right? Then I will need to use every juice, and by doing that I'm going to divide this into two. If you're worried about swallowing the seeds, you can remove them, but I am not, so I'm going to just squeeze everything in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my fork and get the juice out of it. Get everything out of it. As you can see, this juice is a lot. It's enough for the morning, but then it depends on what you are used to. If it is your first time doing it, I will recommend you do just half a lime or lemon if it's bigger, but if it's a medium or a small size, one is okay for you. For me, this is okay because I do suffer from constipation, and so this is also going to help me with my bowel movement. Sorry guys, I've lost my voice, so today I'm finding it difficult to speak well. Once I am done, I'm going to pour in some warm water. Oh my god, this water is hot. I'm not going to pour everything, but I want to drink this cup of water, so I'm going to add some normal water. Okay, it's not supposed to be cold, it's supposed to be warm, and you are good to go. Oh, unless I forget, you need to get your lemon from organic farmers or your supermarket or grocery store. Make sure that the lemon is pesticide free so that you do not take in pesticide. Yeah, it is nasty. So what can we do with our lemon zest once we use the little that we have to use for the day? What you're going to need is ice cube, just one ice cube container. Fill it with water and then add in your zest in all the cubes so that you can use it. You can drink it during the day. Take out the ice once it is solid and you put it in your water for you to get some lemon flavored iced tea. So this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here. You can join the family by subscribing and turning on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post future content like this. Thank you. Medase. Guys, let's finish this so that I can go to the bathroom. And I lost my voice. I did yesterday. I went to Gardaland and with the shouting, I lost my voice. Anyway, it was fun. So, let's go to the bathroom. It's already happening.